Hey, so I wanted to talk about our radar systems in our car today. Normally we have a long cord or something hooked up that's pretty dramatic for no reason. It took me a while to catch on to this, but I realized that most of our mirrors, at least from 2015 and above, and most muscle cars, right, have a connection, a power connection from this rear view mirror. I'm gonna go to another video to show that what wires it is you need to plug it in on a Mustang specifically. But yeah, this having these long wires dangling and everything, and having your radar system right here really doesn't serve a good purpose. Plus, it doesn't catch a lot of things behind you. With it up higher, it catches a lot more, right? So I'm gonna put the description of what wire to get, or wire set. It's like, I think it's like $12 or something like that, and it's very simple. You just literally plugging the prongs into the negative and positive, and it cuts on and off just like everything else in your car. I'll flip to that video in just a little while. So as I promised, right, as you know, there's usually a cable plugged into here and a power source that's connected to that cable to charge this up, any of the radar detectors, right? So what I did was, as you can see, there's pins right here, right? So I'm gonna take this off for a second. Just connect this, right? You can actually pull this off if you want to, but I'm not. Right, so you see where it has the red pin? Let me get a little closer. See how it has the red pin right here, right? That's the bottom one, closest to the click. And then the black one, which is the furthest over, which is the ground. So basically, you're doing a red all the way to the end, and a black that's connected to the other wire that's all the way to the end. Then you just plug it in. It's pretty simple. I'm going to put the link to this particular power source. You can find it on Amazon for a couple dollars. But yeah, this gets rid of all that wire. It's just like when I put in our BMW, it's the same thing. You just have to remove this panel and stuff like this. But Ford made it really easy. I used to have it in there and it's hanging, and it's kind of annoying to have all that crap. But